It's gonna be such a beautiful day today. I'm so happy and excited because the Leafs. It's been too long since I've been in the playoffs. Hustle and bustle of the city. Just hustling to get this subway. Biggest construction thing ever. It's a special day. It's my big brother's birthday today. He's only about 14 months older than me, so we do have to play this guy. Ovechkin, oh no. You know, he's never won a cup, so he has that fire burning in him more than ever. Go Leafs, go. All right, in Newmarket now. It's my brother's birthday, so we're probably having dinner and cake or something. I don't really know. What's up, buddy?
What's up, man?
What's up?
How you doing, brother? What's up, Life with Dusty?
What's up? This is
shout
awesome
out to
family.
Life with Dusty.
Word up.
Chilling with the family today.
What's you guys' family name? Like
the Runses.
The Runses. These are the Runses. They're awesome.
Yeah, man.
Go. What a cute family.
Sweet on,
nice to
bro.
meet you guys.
Right on.
So those guys are awesome. Such a positive family. I really like that. They're so awesome and nice. Right, so you know it's getting to be like nice weather and summery out when in the beer store it's way colder than outside. Like you walk out and it's nice warm heat. Ooh, it's a big homie. It's his birthday. He's flying the drone. It's the big guy's birthday. And there's a car, dude. Can you at least get out of the way of the car? Oh God. To you. 60 wins. I missed it.